Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video based on ROS, and using a joystick we are going to control the simulation robot in a virtual environment. And I give the step-by-step process in GitHub repository, and you can follow the ROS wiki website for interfacing a joystick with an system or in laptop. First we need a joystick and a joystick dongle. We need to interface a joystick first, and follow the ROS wiki website on my repository, which is I gave in description. Follow that, and in this tutorial video we are going to see step-by-step process how to interface an joystick with an ROS. And interfacing a joystick with an ROS, we have a node. First we need to install that. After that we need to open one C++ node for controlling the Turtlesim. That Turtlesim node is used for any process which is need to control by the joystick mode. Okay, and here we have a joystick. Joystick is an publisher, and Turtlesim is an subscriber. Alright, and that CMD well is a topic which is published by the joystick node, and the Turtlesim will be receive that topic information or messages from the joystick by using a CMD well. Same principle used for controlling the any other simulation using a joystick we need to use first, right? And first we need to launch our ROS. That's a process for making a master run. After that we need to run a joystick node and see the topic. We can see the joy node is run, right? That joy node is a joystick publisher node. And after that we need to run a joystick teleoperate node for teleoperating message which is sent to the Turtlesim. ROS run teleop to stick joy. We need to run that node. After that type ROS topic list. We can see now that CMD well is publishing, right? And this is for doing the teleoperation with simulation, so we can control by the joystick. And you see the joy node. The joy node is publishing the information to the teleoperate to sticky. That teleoperate to sticky joy have that CMD well node. So that CMD well node will be publish the information which is subscribed to that CMD node. Like Turtlebot we have means that CMD well is subscribed to the Turtlebot. So the joy teleop node will be publish the information by using a CMD well to the Turtlebot, like that. And you see in screen that is a C++ node for controlling the Turtlesim using a joystick. And you can take that code from the ROS wiki website, and they give the step-by-step process how to interface joystick with an ROS, and how to interface as a Turtlesim with ROS and joystick node, and control the Turtlesim using a joystick. And you can follow that same principle will be used for controlling the simulation robot and the hardware robot also. And now shows it, and we are going to launch Turtlesim node for controlling the Turtlesim using a joystick. Now we launch the Turtlesim, and Turtlesim is launched. Now we can use our joystick and we can publish the information to the Turtlesim how we need to move that one, right? Now I am using a joystick and control the Turtlesim in simulation. That PWM signals will be sent to the Turtlesim. And we can go to another terminal and type ROS topic echo list or ROS topic echo joy. Okay, you can see here. Runtime ROS topic echo joy, and you see the information which are published by the joystick, right? The axis and which button we are operating, that all the things will be visualized by the ROS topic echo joy. And here our Turtlesim is an subscriber and joystick is an publisher, right? That joystick will be publish the signals to the Turtlesim, and there we can control the tortoise bot or turtle bot or your customized robot using this joystick teleoperation node. But one thing we need to understand how the publisher subscriber is working principle, right? Using that one we can implement on this. And for example, I already mentioned here Turtlesim is a subscriber and joystick is a publisher, right? That same thing we need to implement on tortoise bot or turtle bot using a cmdl command. We are going to subscribe the turtle bot, and joystick will be publish the command to the turtle bot. Same thing here, you can see turtle joy teleop, that things will be published by the joystick. Right, now using a joystick controlling the Turtlesim. Okay, thank you. Next video is based on how to interface on mobile phone with an system to control the simulation robot and the hardware robot also, using a master slave communication method in ROS. And subscribe the channel.